So we've talked about credit score. Where do you find it? Well, there's a lot of different places that will give you your credit score now. Places like Credit Karma. There's your annual creditreport.com, which is sponsored by the federal government. So all of these places are places that you can potentially get your score and also your actual credit report. So when you're looking at improving your credit score, maybe just kind of gauging where your credit is at before you apply for a loan, it's important that you look at your full credit report. So things that you should look out for on that credit report is really verifying that the information on there is correct. First name, middle initial, last name are spelled correctly. Make sure that your birthday is right. Current address, previous address, even employment history. Making sure that those things are depicted the correct way on your credit report is going to help. Really pay attention to the accounts listed as credit accounts. So any credit cards you have, make sure that they're showing up appropriately. Not all credit companies report to all three of the main credit bureaus, which are TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. But if they do report, make sure that the data is accurate. Your balances are right, your payment history is depicted the right way. That will also kind of show you whether you're meeting the payment history requirements, whether you have any 30-day past dues or anything like that. Another good thing to look at is credit inquiries. That'll show up on your credit report. So there's two different types of inquiries. There's a soft inquiry and a hard inquiry. Soft inquiry typically doesn't have any impact on your score. That would be, when you get the credit card offers for the you've been approved, and you didn't apply for a credit card, that's because they've done a soft pull on your credit. Those will show up on your credit report as a soft pull. Then you have a hard pull, which would be you actually went somewhere and applied for credit. That's going to show up as a credit inquiry as well. So making sure that you don't have too many credit inquiries on your report that you didn't request is a great place to start. You don't want somebody opening credit in your name that you weren't unaware of. So watching your credit report will show you that. The other thing that you can look at on your actual credit report is public records. You will find anything like financially related legal matters such as bankruptcies or judgments. Any negative public records can also show up on your credit report. So making sure that there's nothing there that you didn't expect to be there is a great place to start when you're really looking at your credit, whether it's to establish credit or improve credit. You still have a credit report. You may just not have a score if you haven't established it yet. So looking at all of those things is going to be crucial to helping you get the best credit score you can, which then ultimately is going to help you obtain the best types of financing at the lowest interest rates possible.
First National Bank of America. When people matter, lending changes.